Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Desi Videsi Girl. So if you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Koel and I make videos about life in Germany, job in Germany. So if you are new to Germany, my video will help you to know a little bit more about Germany. And if you are planning to move to Germany, then definitely my videos will tell you a lot about life in Germany. So today I am going for grocery shopping, and so I thought that let me take all of you together to a grocery store in Germany. So there are a lot of grocery stores. It's ALDI, Penny, Lidl, EDEKA. Today we will be going to a very famous grocery store in Germany, that's ALDI. So let's go together.
So right now I am standing outside the ALDI supermarket. This is a huge supermarket. So let's go in quickly. So before going in, I need a trolley. So here we have a very interesting concept. In order to unlock the trolley, you first need to insert a coin. So you can insert a 50 cent, 1 euro or 2 euro coin. But I tell you a little secret. So the India 1 rupee coin is also working here. So you can insert this 1 rupee coin from India and still this trolley gets unlocked, so you can try it. So before doing my shopping, I'll first return the empty bottles that I have so that I can get the fund value back. So this might be an interesting concept for a lot of people who are not aware of it. So if you buy some kind of plastic bottles, be it a cola bottle, and if it has some fund in it, so you can return it and you get the money back, and that money you can use in your grocery shopping. So I got 1.5 euros return. So whatever will be my bill, so 1.5 euros will get deducted from that. If you are new to Germany, then do not throw your bottles away. You can return it back to the supermarket and get some money back. I really find this concept very interesting because this way you can ensure that the plastic bottles are recycled properly, and it is also advantageous for you that you get some money back. Now I am in the section where you get a lot of fruits and vegetables. So being an Indian, at least I get all the fruits that I need in my day-to-day life in a German supermarket. But again, there are some kind of vegetables which we are used to having is not available in the German supermarket. So for that reason, I go to the Indian supermarket. But again, it is not very necessary. There are almost, I would say, 70% of things you can easily find in a German supermarket. If you are a bread lover, you will get variety of breads in German supermarket. So there is a section where you can get the fresh bread. You can also get the bread sliced as per your choice. And there is also a lot of other kinds of breads like wraps and Falcon wraps, and there is a variety of wraps which are also available, the Falcon wraps, the normal wraps, and variety of bread. So I have tried a lot of breads. So they are of different type and you can also try. It's really good. So one alternative for roti that we use is this Falcon wraps. Again, I would not suggest you to have it in the long run because it has a lot of preservative. But sometime when you are not feeling like making roti, you can have these wraps as an alternative for making roti or chapati at home. Then is the next section which is full of chocolates. So whenever I go to India, I buy all my chocolates from either ALDI or EDEKA. They have a great variety of chocolates. So in Germany, in almost every supermarket, you will find a section where you can find alcohol, and they arrange it in such a way that you have chips in one side and you have the alcohol on the other side, so that you can get your chakna along with the alcohol just side by side. And Aldi has a variety of range of wine. So if you are a wine lover, then I would say Aldi is one of the supermarket which has a great collection. And then there is also one section where you can find some normal day-to-day essentials like bed sheet and towel, and this collection keeps on changing from time to time. But this section is not there in all the supermarket. This Aldi is really a huge one. That's why there is a section where you can find these kind of things. And then there is also a section where you can just stock up your toiletries, very usual thing which you find in all the supermarkets. So since this outlet is a really big one, so you can find almost everything in one place. Like if you have to recharge your mobile, or if you have to give some kind of gift card to your friend, so that is also available here. Next, very interesting is milk. So if you go to any supermarket, you will find that milk is placed in two places. One is inside the fridge and one is outside the fridge. So one which is inside the fridge has lesser shelf life, so you have to consume it in 2 to 3 weeks, the date is already mentioned. And the one which is outside has a greater shelf life. So you can also find a lot other interesting things in the refrigerator, you can also get the marinated chicken. If you don't want to even marinate it, you get the marinated chicken. You have a lot of frozen food which is available, just you need to heat this up and then that becomes a starter for you. And also there are things which can help you in your day-to-day cooking, you get the spinach paste, you get chopped vegetables with a different kind of butter. These are all some things that makes your day-to-day life much more easier.
So guys, now I am back from the supermarket. So one thing you must know that in Germany, all the supermarket, it closes at sharp 8 p.m. So you have to be really quick. So today I did not have to buy a lot of things. So I will quickly show you what I got and what is the price for each one of them. So the first thing that I got is these wraps. So I am a person who is not very much fan of cooking, and I don't make chapatis or roti daily. So this is the alternative that I am using now for some years as an alternative for chapatis or roti. So these are the Falcon wraps. So it is, again, I won't say very healthy because it has some preservatives in it. If you heat it in the microwave and you use it, then this can act as an alternative for chapatis. So again, I would not suggest you to use it in the long run because definitely it has a lot of preservatives in it, which is not good for health. But if you are very lazy like me, and if you don't feel like cooking, like making rotis, and if you're not very much used to making rotis, then this could be a good alternative. And it's not very expensive. So it generally comes around 1.29 euros, like the pack of 7. And today it was on a discounted price, so I got it at 1 euro. So I just got a lot of them. So don't get shocked seeing the number of packets that I have. Total these many packets. So it was on a discount, so I thought why not stock it up. So I stocked up and now I have plenty of chapatis that can run for a month, I believe. The next thing which I got is cucumber. It's also called gurke here. So I got these 2 cucumbers.
I also got some carrots, so I took this big pack because it stays easily for a month, so I don't have the trouble of buying them again and again. I also got some lemons, some almonds, some walnut, avocado and some curd.
Yeah, I also got a bottle of water and also a packet of chicken which I have already placed in the refrigerator. And that makes a bill of total 31 euros 80 cents. And I got a refund of 1.5 euros because as I showed in the beginning that I had some bottles and I deposited them, and I got a refund of 1.5 euros because of that. And so my total bill comes as 31 euros 80 cents. And one more interesting thing which a lot of people might not be knowing is that you can also withdraw cash from the supermarket. It varies from supermarket to supermarket. So in ALDI, you have to do a minimum purchase of 10 euros if you want to withdraw some cash. And you just go to the counter at the time when you are doing the billing. Before you give your card, you tell them that you want to withdraw some cash. Maximum limit is 200 euros. If you want, you can just tell them, they'll add it to your bill and they will give you the cash. So my current bill is 231 euros because I withdraw 200 euros cash. And that's it. It's that simple, right? If you are in urgent need of cash and if you don't want to go to the ATM, or if the ATM is not close by your house, so this is also a good option. You can try that. I have been doing this since a long time and it's kind of a good thing. I think that's all for this video. I wanted to show you how the supermarket in Germany looks like and how pricey the goods here are. If you like my video, Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This will really motivate me to make more such videos. And if you want me to make a video on any specific topic, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll surely create a video on that topic. Till then, take care, goodbye, and see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.